All right, well, let's try not to crash. Like a doof. That's fine. You're a doof. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hunter Fisher Golfer. Oh my gosh, we're in the bumpiest stretch ever. Okay, there it's smooth out. What's up? We got special guest here. What's your name?
Sean.
This is my brother-in-law, Sean Plunkett. We're out here at Ski Brule up in Iron River, Michigan, right on the border of the UP and Wisconsin. What are we doing?
Snowboarding.
We're doing a little snowboarding, a little skiing today. Yeah, never been here before, so we're just kind of checking out the slopes and seeing how it is. It's our afternoon session out here. We've done a few runs already this morning. What's nice about this place is that they got childcare, so my little 2.5-year-old Brooks can go and play in the childcare area while we get out here and shred. Oh my gosh, it's so bumpy. What are you saying? Huh?
Your YouTube channel?
It is a YouTube channel.
Oh, what's it called?
It's called Hunter Fisher Golfer. Look it up.
Okay. Hunter Fisher Golfer?
Golfer.
Golfer?
Hunter Fisher Golfer. You'll be on it. Yeah. Oh man. But yeah, let's get to some skiing. Here we go. All right, we're on a new chairlift. Me and Sean here. And we're gonna do a new segment called College Football Playoff Predictions. So we got, who's playing tonight?
LSU, Oklahoma.
We got LSU, Oklahoma, and we got Ohio State and Clemson. So Sean, what is your college football playoff prediction for those two games?
All right, LSU, Oklahoma. LSU is going to take it 34-20. And Ohio State, Clemson. Ohio State takes it 35-31.
I'm gonna say Clemson, behind Trevor Lawrence's 4 touchdown passes, over 300 yards, is gonna whoop Ohio State 31-10.
Oh, gosh.
You heard it here, folks. 31-10. Clemson over Ohio State, gonna happen. And then the other game, LSU, I think, is gonna smoke Oklahoma 40-21.
Two blowouts.
It's gonna be, these
Really?
games are gonna be through the air, big blowouts. It's gonna be an LSU Clemson championship. Like I said, you heard it here, folks. Gonna happen. Here we go. We got a new guest, my father-in-law, Casey. All right.
Otherwise known as the game.
Okay.
Oh, my God.
Well, okay. Clemson versus Ohio State. Who do you got? What's the score?
Game point number 1, 35-28. The Ohio State University.
LSU, Oklahoma.
Game point number 2, OU 24, LSU 21 in a shocking upset.
All right, you heard it here, folks.
Lawrence, flushed, chased, goes to the end zone. Catch made by Higgins, and they convert the two. Clemson's going to make it 29 in a row and head off to the city of New Orleans to take on LSU for a championship.
We mentioned Bob Stoops. John Emery into the end zone. Final score, LSU 63, Oklahoma 28.
Let's go. Oh, goggles. I'm not gonna be able to see nothing. Yup, blind. Holy cow. All right, what's up, guys? We're here day 2 up at Ski Brule, and it's snowing like crazy. You can barely see. Poor Sean here doesn't have any goggles, so I think he's gonna give up pretty quick. No?
No.
Oh, never mind. He's going all day. No. Oh, I just got some in my eye. It is snowing like crazy, but we're out here, got some fresh powder. Let's get to it.
You gotta tell a skiing joke.
Oh, a skiing joke.
Yeah.
Do you have one?
No, I thought you had one.
Oh, I don't have any. The only joke I got is yours. Hey, what's brown and sticky?
Oh my god.
A stick! Oh, all right, let's do some skiing. Let's go. Oh, God. I'm not gonna be able to see nothing. Yup, blind. Oh, see you, Sean. Bye. All right, the snow is coming down like crazy out here right now. Hey, Sean. What's up? Got Sean. We got Sean the game up there. Casey the game. And it's snowing like mad out here right now. Making it tough to ski, but that's all right. Got lots of fresh powder. Do some more. Here we go.